Indeed, you can potentially earn $10, $12, $25, or even $50 every quarter of an hour simply by utilizing Google Translate. This strategy is entirely free and is applicable globally. The most appealing aspect is that the website we'll be employing will compensate us daily. So you can genuinely earn money today and cash it out by the next day. The minimum payout limit is a mere $1. So let's commence. Initially, navigate to Google and look up Google Translate. Essentially, Google Translate can assist you in earning $10 to $50 every 15 minutes. Hence, in a single hour, you could potentially earn up to $200 just by executing what I'll demonstrate in the forthcoming minutes, completely free of charge. So proceed to Google Translate. And you simply need to input something in this box, and it will be translated into any language of your choice. Here, I am translating into the Dutch language. So, if I input something here, like "How are you" in English, it will be translated into Dutch, as you can observe. We need to visit another website, which is this one right here, cpagrip.com. Simply click on the register button, and it will direct you to this page where you just have to complete all the required details. However, ensure that for the publisher type, you select GPT or Website Consent, as that's going to secure your approval. And then, when asked where did you hear about us, inform them that you discovered them via YouTube, and that's all there is to it. Now, if you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will appear. As you can see, there are individuals earning more than $250,000 on CPA Grip. You can observe that this is a legitimate network. It's going to reward you handsomely. Now, all you have to do is just navigate to the payment center right here. And you can see that on this account right here, I managed to accumulate $6,540 in total earnings. $6,500 in total paid balance, and my pending balance is $40 with a minimum payout of $40. By the way, you're going to generate additional income using this network, but it's not the primary source of income that we are going to create. So we just need to get started with CPA Grip. So the first step is to choose the offer tools. Then pick a CPA offer from one of the top European countries that primarily don't converse in English and have a slightly higher payout on CPA Grip. For instance, I'll demonstrate how to do this for the Netherlands. You just need to pick any of these CPA offers. Now, let's say we opt for this iPhone 14 offer. Ensure you select mobile offers, since the traffic source we're going to utilize is for mobile devices. For this one, I'm certain that this is a mobile offer, and for every single completion, I'm going to be compensated $1.71. By the way, this is just in addition to the $10 or up to $50 for every 15 minutes method. So, what you simply need to do is copy your affiliate link right here. This will be your unique link. Now for the subsequent step, you need to visit this website, which is actually going to pay you this amount of money. Now this website is called shortearn.com. So, for instance, if you're going to get views from Greenland, you're going to be paid $50. From Iceland, you're going to be paid $30, and so on. The best part is that the traffic source that I'm going to show you works for all the countries out there. So you can easily earn this amount of money if you're going to do exactly what I'm going to show you right now. Just visit shortearn.com and sign up for a new account. And then once you log in, this is how the dashboard will appear. As you can see, my total earnings are $254, referral earnings are $56, and my average CPM is $20. Now for the next step. Click on New Shorten link right up here and paste your affiliate link from CPA Grip over here. Then for the alias, go with something really simple. Make sure you don't enter any expiration date. After that, just click on Shorten, and this will be your shortened URL now. Essentially, what we need to do is, if we're going to send traffic from the Netherlands, you can see right here, we're going to be paid $10 every 15 minutes for this traffic. Now just copy this URL before proceeding to the next website, which is this one right here, publisher. Linkvertise.com. This website functions like a link shortener, but it also promotes your link on their search engine simultaneously. Essentially, it's like a ready-made traffic source, so just navigate to publisher. Linkvertise.com, register and sign up for a free account. Then once you log in, this is what you'll observe. As you noticed, I already accumulated $1 on this account just by submitting a link, and it merely took a few seconds. Now for the next step. Just click on Create a Link right up here and simply paste the shortened URL from ShortyEarn, and then just click on this button over here. Next, you need to copy the headline of the CPA offer and add it right here to ensure it's going to fit the characters, and just click on Check right here. In the link title, copy and paste the headline of the CPA offer again, but as you can see here, it says your entered text is too short. At least 40 characters are necessary to continue. And this is where Google Translate actually comes into play. So I just write something clickable here and Google Translate will translate the words for me. Now I'm going to copy this and put it right here. By doing so, it's going to be approved. Next, just upload an image of the product. So in this case, it's iPhone 14, and then you can see here, this is how our search result is going to look like. After that, click on Next to continue to the next page. And that is it. Now whenever someone clicks on the link, you're going to get paid by Linkvertise.